Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And Windows Defender is not working. Most of in this case, after update, sometime is getting this issue. So no worry about it. I will fix and we will fix it. So first method, restart the security service. So click to start and type services dot services. Then right click to run as administrator. Okay, then select any and press security center and find out security center. Just double click it. Okay, this is already working. Then close it. It is already running. Okay, and then close it. Then Windows Security Service. So press W, scroll down, security service. So this is also running. You can see running and manually. Yeah. So if it is stop, so you have to click on start, then close it. Then Microsoft Defender. So click M for Microsoft Defender. Microsoft Defender antivirus service. This is, so this is also running. Okay, then close it. If not, so start it, then close it. Then next method, reset network security app. So click to start, then setting, then click app, then install app. Now find out Windows security, scroll down, it will get last. If guys it is not find, so then you can click system component. So this is the Windows security. Click on three dot, then advanced options, scroll down, then click reset and repair and terminate. Wait few seconds and it is both completed, then close it. And one more guys, if you are using antivirus, so please check it, because of sometime this antivirus block to Windows security. Okay, yeah. And last method, click to start, type cmd the search, right click to run as administrator. This is compulsory, yeah? And then click yes for administrator rights. So this four command I will give you in the descriptions. So you have to copy one by one. So first click copy, and if it is not copy, you just type manually also. Okay, and then hit enter. Some command will complete very fast. Okay, and some commands will take some time. So no worry about it. It will complete and then close it. So I can see this is the started the percentage. So all four command we have to use your system one by one. Check health, scan health, and restore also. Okay, so sometime it will stop. Okay, means when you click on any other window. Okay, so it will sometimes stop. Now you just select this percentage and then hit. So when you click to hit na, then it will start again. So now first command is 100% completed. Now second, okay, and then hit enter. Oh, operations is complete successfully. Then select third one. So this is third command, scan help. So this is the third command. Okay, like it will run like that. This is the management tool. So it is completed. Then fourth command, last. And this is so important, huh? Again, copy, right click, copy, and then hit enter. So guys, this is also completed for command and 100%. After that, we have to restart system. Okay, so restart, in this case, the restart is compulsory. Okay, yeah. So this restore operations completely. No component store corrupted detected. Okay, yeah. This is the logs. So click to start and then restart it.